Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to the maths class. Students, today we are going to do back counting. 20 to 11. What we are going to do today? Back counting. 20 to 11. What do we mean by back counting? In my previous video, I have told you that going back is known as backward. Okay? Going back is known as backward and coming in front is known as forward. In the same manner, we are going to revise the counting from 20 to 11. But before that, we will revise the back counting from 10 to 0. So, let's come and revise. Look here. This is forward counting as we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is forward counting, and going from down up to down is known as forward counting. Up to down is known as forward counting, and going from down to up is known as back counting. As we have done this, that which number is coming at the back? 10. So when we are writing back counting, it will come on the first place. Okay, first position, and here it is on second position, so it second last position, so he will come at second position here. Look, 10 and 10, 9, 9, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. So let's revise back counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and at last 0. Okay, 0 comes at the end. Fine. Now we are going to do back counting from 10 to 11. So let's start. First we are going to do forward counting from 11 to 20. Say 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. So write down fast. This first we are going to write down forward counting 11, 12, 13. This is forward counting, okay? This is not back counting. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now in forward counting, which number is written at the end? 20, 20. And in back counting, this number will be written first. It will come on the first position. As it is here at the last position, it will come here as first position. So what we are going to write down first? 20, 20, 20. So write down 2 and 0. Start from under the line. Go up make a curve and go up and touch it here. Now tell me which number is before 20? 19. 19. So what will come here after this? 19. Okay. Now which number is before 19? Before 19. 18. So number 18 will come here. 1 and 8. Curve. A small curve. Like this. Okay. Now which number is before 18? 17. So what will come here? 17. 1. 7. Now what is before 17? Before 17 is 16. So which number will come here after 17? Number 16. Slant line, make a circle and touch it here. Now which number is before 16? 15. So which number will come here after 16? 15. 1 and 5. Slant line, go back, curve, touch the line and go up, and sleeping line. Now which number is before 15? 14. So what will come here? Number 14. 1 and 4. Slant line, sleeping line and standing line. Now which number is here before 14? Who is standing here? Number 13. So number 13 will come here. 1 and 3. Sleeping line, slant line, go back and curve like this. Now which number is before 13? Number 12. So which number will come here in this block? 12. 1, 2, 12. Now which is on the first position here? Number 11. So which number will come here at the end? Number 11. Okay, let's revise these numbers. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Again, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. I hope you have understood how to write down back counting. You all are to revise it and do this work in your fair notebook. That's all from my side today.